The video. Today we are at the Escondido Zoo Safari Park, and we've never found this trail back here before. It's really beautiful. Get a little zoom in action. Wow. See you in the next area. So yeah, we're at the Escondido San Diego Safari Park, and when you come here, you go to the Condor Ridge, and usually there's a volunteer or a helper around here, and you can just ask them about the trail, or the succulent trail behind the Condor Ridge. And it's usually you can see the trail behind you or on the left of you, depending, or on the right of you, depending where you are. Yeah, if you're walking, I don't know really, but just ask them for where the succulent trail is, and they'll show you. And you just go around these trails, and it's really nice. But you gotta come here when the water is running in the winter, so that way you can see this creek, and it's really cool. So yeah, see you in the next clip. Here, let me just jump over there really quickly. Get ready, this might lag a bit. It's really nice and cool. It's really cool how the water over it been coming through here for like probably years and years. How it's carved out paths in the stone. To me, that's just so cool. As you can see, the stone is really smooth. It's from the water running over it for many years. It's dug out little canals, little pockets. This is just really cool. Make sure to watch this whole entire video. Well, I know, of course I'm just saying that, but I actually mean it, because this video is I think all this area that I'm going to be videoing is going to be really pretty. These are trails that you can access too, to the public. But sometimes the paths may be closed because of it being flooded out. So, just some advice. Just really, if you're ever going to come to the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, you have to come to the Safari Park in Escondido. And it's really, really nice here. Plus, one of the good things about coming here is that there's not as many people here. Look at this, is a nice bench. There's just not as many people here than the regular zoo. So, me and my mom have passes here to the zoo. And recently, the passes expired because we've been here so long. We just love this area. We just love coming here. The good thing about we just love coming here so much. It's really beautiful and nice. Plus, before we just got the regular pass. I forgot what that is called. I don't know, it's just a regular club, I think. But then if you get the Keepers Club, you get the parking free. So it's really nice. You can just come here anytime for free. You don't have to buy anything. Completely free, I think. Pause this if you'd like to read that. I'm going to see if I can come and get anywhere higher up there to record some videos. And yeah, if I were you, I'd really come here. It's really nice. Yeah, and and there's some coyote poop. But anyways, the reason why this is so fun to come here is because you can just come anytime you want, really. And when you get one of the passes, or the Keepers Club, or the regular club, you come here and it's free. So you get the regular club, you have to pay for parking, which is $20. Get the Keepers Club, it's completely free. So yeah. And sorry for talking so much, but I just really love to come here and there's so much to talk about. So views is just really nice in the wintertime. And if you get one of the passes, you can come to it's good for the San Diego Zoo. The San Diego Zoo, like the regular zoo, and then the Escondido Safari Park. So Escondido, San Diego Safari Park. It's good there too. So yeah, just make sure to ask somebody when you come here to the Safari Park to come here and to go walk to the succulent trails. There's also, when you get to there's like a T, you turn to the right to get to the area I'm at. And then at the left, there's really nice picnic benches. It's really nice if you just want to get away from everybody and eat. So yeah, I'll just give you some good clips from now on. I'm just going to upload one part of the video just for the nature part, and then I'm going to upload the whole part. Wow, this is just really nice. Yeah, guys, I just can't express how awesome this place is. It's just really nice and calming. So if you have the Keepers Club and you're having a bad day, or if you're just stressed out from work or anything else, just come here. It's really nice. It's just really nice. Really calming too. You just take a little, if you ever come here by yourself or something like that. Oh yeah, and also with the Keepers Club, you get to take a person with you, so yeah. But if you're ever here by yourself, just put one earbud in, listen to some music while you're walking. It's just really nice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe it. Make sure, if you got this far, comment the word nature walk or something like that. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe and like.